Hello everyone, I'm Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphology Made Simple, and in this video we are learning about different positions of bar in capital H. Now we already know that capital H help you know how one bond with other person, right? How they want to bond with other person. Now in this video we will study which type of bond do they want. Do they want it emotionally? Do they want it sexually? Do they want it in a communication manner, etc. Let's get started. On the first image, you can observe that this bar is way higher than the middle position. This one is the middle edge. Right here, the bar is in middle. This one is way higher than the middle one. This helps us know the letter want to create bond with other person while understanding. So let's say they are creating a friendship with other person. Then they want to do that while understanding. They want to understand other person. They want other person to understand them, etc. These second writers are someone who want to bond via communication. So if they want to bond with other person, then they will just sing a song for them, they will just sing a poet for them or write a poet for them and then just say it to them, etc. They want to bond via communicating and they want other person to be sing. This third people in the middle, this is a most common edge that you will often find as the bar is in middle. These are the writers who want to bond via emotions. They want to feel emotions for other person and they want other person to feel emotions for them, right? Mutually. The four people are the writers who want to bond via personality or who want to bond via confidence. They want to have confidence in other person that yes, they are not going to betray them, they trust them, or just little bit of personality, what type of personality they are having, they are influenced by them of because of that personality and now they want to create bond with that person. So bond with personality and confidence. The fifth people are the people who want to bond with sex. So during early marriage, whenever someone gets married, then they want to bond with other person via sex. So these are the writers who want to bond via sex and creativity. So they want other person to creative, not only say in not only about sex, yet other aspect as well. They want to bond via creativity and sex. The six writers are the writers who want to bond with stability and trust. So they want other person to trust them and they expect same, they do same for other person as well. Unless and until they trust other person, they're not going to create bond with that person. So that's all for this particular 6H. I believe you got to learn many interesting things. Check your spouses or let's say your friends or anybody's letter H, capital H, then you will get to know how they want to get bond with other person. So if your spouse write like this, then she or he want to bond with you via emotions. If they write like this, then it shows that they want to bond via communication. So you need to sing a song for them, you need to communicate with them more and etc. And if they bond like if they write like this, then they want to bond with you via trust and stability. So they want you to, you need to tell them that yes, I trust you and they need to gain your trust as well. That's all for this different positions of bar in capital H. I believe you learned something new and you learned something very interesting. Next time you see capital H, you will be able to find how writer want to bond with you or other person. That's all. Thank you for watching. Let's keep learning. Let's keep growing.